Don't judge this dish by its looks. What it lacks in beauty, it makes up for in outrageous flavor. Let me show you how to transform humble kabocha squash into the ultimate protein-packed meal. Start by having a small kabocha squash and scooping out the seeds into the air fryer. It goes at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes, just enough time for that natural sweetness to intensify and fill your kitchen with its comforting aroma. Now the fun part, crack an egg into each squash bowl. Then let's add in plum shrimp, nature's perfect protein, a generous sprinkle of black pepper, and sea salt is all it needs before returning to the air fryer for 10 more minutes. The finishing touch, a light blanket of melty reduced fat cheese for just 60 seconds. Watch as it forms that perfect golden crust while keeping everything beneath luxuriously moist. What emerges is pure magic. Creamy egg yolks mixing with juicy shrimp all cracked in that velvety kabocha flesh. The squash becomes almost custard-like. Its natural sugars caramelizing beautifully, and that cheesy top, pure umami heaven. This might not win any beauty contest, but one bite and you will understand why it became my secret weapon. Low carb, high protein, and packed with more flavor than anything this simple as a right to be.